Jade Yoga Premium Fitness Mat App. The pros, the cons. Most people think yoga mats are just a surface to stretch on, but the Jade Yoga Premium Fitness Mat App adds guidance, tracking and community features to your practice. But is it really worth subscribing? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the app provides guided yoga sessions for all levels, from beginner flows to advanced sequences. It tracks your progress over time, records practice frequency, and allows you to set goals for consistency and skill development. The app also features mindfulness and breathing exercises, enhancing the mental benefits of yoga. Another advantage is community support. The app connects you with other users for challenges, progress tracking, and encouragement. You can also access tutorials, tips on proper alignment, and advice on choosing the right mat for your practice, which is especially helpful for beginners. On the downside, the app is a subscription service, which adds ongoing costs. While it pairs well with Jade yoga mats, most features are accessible without special equipment, so the mat itself isn't strictly necessary. Some users may prefer in-person guidance for alignment and posture corrections that an app can't fully provide. In conclusion, the Jade Yoga Premium Fitness Mat app is ideal for anyone looking to enhance their yoga practice with guidance, progress tracking, and community support. It's engaging, informative, and helps you maintain a consistent, mindful routine. While it's not a replacement for a live instructor, it provides a convenient and motivating way to improve your yoga practice at home. Overall, it turns a simple mat into a smart, interactive wellness tool.